I'm Ava, and welcome to Korean Ladder.
안녕하세요. 저는 하나예요. 코리안 라더에 오신 걸 환영해요.
안녕하세요. 저는 준호입니다. 오늘은 식사가 끝났을 때 자연스럽게 말해 볼게요.
I know how to order and maybe how to pay, but after a Korean meal, I freeze. Do I say thank you, delicious, or I'm full?
좋은 질문이에요. In Korean, the end of a meal has a few warm, fixed phrases.
오늘의 핵심 표현은 잘 먹었습니다예요. You say it to the person who provided the meal, cooked, hosted, or treated you.
그리고 음식이 좋았으면 정말 맛있었어요 라고 말해요. In English, it means it was really delicious.
먼저 자연스러운 예문을 들어보세요. 잘 먹었습니다.
정말 맛있었어요. This is a very natural compliment after the meal.
배불러요. It means I'm full, soft, simple, and useful.
아주 잘 먹었습니다. You can add 아주 for very, but the basic phrase is already polite.
정말 배불러요. This gently signals you are full, not that you dislike the food.
So, 잘 먹었습니다 is not just I ate well. It's more like thank you for feeding me.
맞아요. Literally it says I ate well, but socially it often means thank you for the meal.
잘 means well, and 먹었습니다 is the polite past form of eat. Together, it sounds grateful.
먹었습니다 is formal polite. It is a little more respectful than 먹었어요, so it fits after a meal with a host or restaurant staff.
Then if I say 맛있었어요, I'm focusing on the taste.
네, 맛있었어요 is friendly, polite. 정말 맛있었어요 makes it stronger and very natural.
And 배불러요 is useful when someone offers more food. In English, I'm full.
So if someone says, do you want more? I can say, 아니요, 배불러요.
좋아요. Even warmer is 아니요, 괜찮아요. 배불러요. No, I'm okay. I'm full.
If someone cooked for you, combine the feeling. 정말 맛있었어요. 잘 먹었습니다.
That sounds like the missing ending. Compliment the food, then thank them for the meal.
Now listen to a short restaurant ending. The real Korean turns are on the card.
정말 맛있었어요.
감사합니다. 잘 먹었습니다.
배불러요?
네, 정말 배불러요.
Okay, I'll try the keeper sentence. 정말 맛있었어요. 잘 먹었습니다.
좋아요. Keep 정말 smooth, then give 맛있었어요 a clear middle sound.
정말 맛있었어요.
완벽해요. Now add 잘 먹었습니다. With a polite final feeling.
잘 먹었습니다.
In natural speech, 먹었습니다 sounds like 먹었습니다. The spelling stays 먹었습니다, but the sound is smoother.
The 쌍시오 sound is clear in 맛있었어요. 맛있었어요. Keep it crisp, but not tense in your whole voice.
맛있었어요. 먹었습니다. I can feel the spelling and sound are not always one-to-one.
맞아요. Korean spelling is stable and natural pronunciation connects sounds.
Now the common mistake. English speakers often say 감사합니다 only, and it is okay, but it can feel a little unfinished after a meal.
So, 감사합니다 is not wrong, but 잘 먹었습니다 is more meal specific.
맞아요. If a friend cooked dinner, 정말 맛있었어요. 잘 먹었습니다 sounds much warmer than only 감사합니다.
Another mistake is using 배불러요 too early. If the food just arrived, 배불러요 sounds like you are already full.
Right. 배불러요. After eating, not when I want to say the food looks filling.
그리고 잘 먹었습니다 is for after eating. Before eating, say 잘 먹겠습니다.
Listen to the contrast. Before the meal, 잘 먹겠습니다. After the meal, 잘 먹었습니다.
Quiz time.
Your friend's parents cooked dinner, and everyone is finished. Which one is most natural?
The answer is B. 정말 맛있었어요. 운동은 생김에 잘 먹었습니다. It compliments the food and thanks them after the meal.
A. 잘 먹겠습니다 is for before eating. C. 배고파요 means I'm hungry, so it does not fit after dinner. 정리해 볼게요. First, 잘 먹었습니다 means thank you for the meal. Use it after eating, especially to a host, cook, server, or someone who treated you.
둘째, 정말 맛있었어요 is the easy compliment. In English, it was really delicious. Say it before or with 잘 먹었습니다.
셋째, 배불러요 means I'm full. It is useful when someone offers more food and you want to answer softly.
마지막으로 잘 먹겠습니다 is before eating and 잘 먹었습니다 is after eating. In English, match the phrase to the meal moment.
Today's keeper sentence is
정말 맛있었어요. 잘 먹었습니다.
It was really delicious. Thank you for the meal.
오늘은 이 한 문장만 기억하세요. 정말 맛있었어요. 잘 먹었습니다.
코리안 라더였습니다. 다음 시간에 또 만나요.